You might need to be able to sort a column of numbers to do with a certain amount of things. So for instance, you might want to sort them low to high to illustrate whether you've got things in stock, and any zeros or low you would know you'd have to order those. Or perhaps you would want to sort them high to low, for instance points to do with a sports team, so the person with the most amount of points is at the top and the person with the least is at the bottom. This is actually very easy and doesn't involve any formulas or anything. It's some manual changes that you can make to your spreadsheet that will make this happen itself. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to apply a filter to the titles. Okay, so it gives me one for both of them. I'm then going to record a macro. And a macro is a small program that you can run whenever you want. So we're going to apply a shape that will be a button and run the macro anytime we want it to actually occur. So in macros, I'm going to click record macro. The reason it says macro 3 is I've had a few goes at this to make sure that I've got it right. I'm going to call it sort things. Okay, I'm going to give it a description. Arrange the things high to low, I think I'm going to do. So I'm going to make the biggest number go to the top, smallest to the bottom, and I'm going to click OK. Now down here you can see it says ready, and a little square just off of the recording area it says in ready mode, a macro is currently recording, click to stop recording. So all I have to do now is do the thing that I want to do, and it will actually record that move. And all I have to do is this one, sort largest to smallest. Click, and you'll notice that 26 is now at the top, 3 is at the bottom. Also, these numbers have arranged themselves, these words here, thing and thing and thing and thing, they're all the same here, so that's all been sorted and everybody's happy. So now I can click down there to stop the macro being run. Okay, now I need to give myself something to actually click, so I'm going to go and get a shape. Okay, so, and I'm going to put some text on that, so I'm going to call it sorts. I'm just going to put that in the middle. I think I'll make the text a little bit bigger so I can see it nice and easy. Let's make it bold as well. I can then right click on the shape and assign macro. These are the two that I did earlier to try things out. Sort things, click OK. Now just to show that that's actually running, let's change some of these numbers. So let's say thing 9 got lots, so they're now on 44. Thing 2 are on 18. Thing 5 did something bad and got docked 7 points, so they're now on 15. Thing 3 had a bit of an amazing run, they were on 66. So the numbers have changed. So if I click sort, bang, there you go, 66 is now at the top, 3 is still at the bottom. These numbers have arranged themselves accordingly. So just to recap, you want your columns set out so you've got the titles of the things that you want to sort down one column, the amounts down the next. Notice I haven't got anything else going on, I don't want anything confusing this. You go into data and apply a filter, go to view, record a macro, draw a shape and apply the macro to it.